Yo, yo, yo. Are we live? Yeah, we live, baby. What's going on? What's going on? Your boy Pac-Man back with another video. Today, we are about to go get a new rear tire. Yep. I got a damn nail in my tire the other night. We patched it up. When I got home, it was flat again. So, we just gonna take it to Team Charlotte and get us a new tire. So I put enough air in it, you know, to get to Team Charlotte. So we about to go there and we about to go get us a new tire. Hopefully then they don't cost an arm and a leg to get a new tire, but we gonna see. I heard it wasn't a good idea to patch up the tire, so here I go. About to just go get a new one. I need it. I want to ride safe, so just go ahead and spend the money and get me a new tire so I can get back out here on the road, because I haven't rode since probably last Friday. Can't tell if my tire got less air in it from when I jumped on it at the house. I filled it up. We're gonna see. When I get up here to a red light, I'm gonna check it out. I gotta jump on the interstate to get to Team Charlotte, I think. I don't know, I might pull over and see if I can get there without the interstate. Today's also the first time I came out of the house with leather on. Yeah, got me a leather jacket. Can't wait till this thing get broken in, but got me some protection if I go down. Just in case I want to go fast. Yeah, it feels good out here though. Like I said, I got this leather jacket on. I don't know what the temperature is right now, but feels pretty good. I got some nice breeze coming through the jacket. I actually feel more safe already. I can't wait to pull over and check this tire. I just feel like something feels off. I don't know if I'm just thinking about it too much, but something definitely feels off. But yeah, I had a huge nail in my tire. I was riding with my boy Josh and two other guys we had met, and we was about to pull off. He was like, "Man, you got a flat." I actually got that footage. It was nighttime, so I don't know how good it was. I didn't go back and look at it yet, but yeah, we went to a little gas station, got it patched up. But like I said, the next morning when I came out to check the car, when I came out to check the bike, the air was already down low. So today's Tuesday. Team Charlotte opened back up today, so let's go there and get me a tire. I know I better not leave out of there spending over $250, but I feel like that's how much it's going to be, so that sucks. Yeah, I think I'm about to check this tire. I don't know if I want to check it right here though. I don't know. Let me see. It's actually not bad. So I'm about to go ahead and just jump on the interstate and get there. Yeah, man, it feels good out here today. Feels good to be back on the bike. But yeah, summer's been going good so far. Completed summer school. Your boy got all A's. Yep, thank you, thank you. And I start back school on the, I think August the 14th, so just about 2 weeks. Your boy gonna be up in school cooking it up. So yeah, that should be fun. Whee! All right, tire. Hold up good now on this interstate. I don't want to have to test this jacket out on the first day. My son is trying to call me on FaceTime. Feel all the breeze, you know, so it feels good. Oh my God, come on now. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, big guy. Jesus Christ. Try to make me test that jacket out. I ain't ready to test it out. But yeah, I'm 9 miles away from 2,000. Your boy put 2,000 on his bike. I think I got this bike in April. Yeah, I think I got it in April. Yeah, I put 2,000 miles on it. Got it with no miles. Yeah, your boy been riding. And I only ride probably like 3 times a week. I ain't really been doing nothing crazy. But, you know, it's been fun. I ain't lying. A lot of fun. If my tire was, if I felt 100% about my tire, I'll give it a little bit more throttle. But, I'm just gonna cruise. I'm almost to my destination. I can't believe I'm having to buy a new tire already. That's crazy. Dang, all you do is spend money with a bike. Really. It ain't one thing, it's another. You need a headset. You need a good hood. You need a good headset. That costs $400. You need a jacket. That costs $300. You need some riding pants. That costs damn near $200. Everything's just expensive. But I'm gonna keep buying that shit though. You feel me? This new Pro Tint visor too for my Bell helmet, so I got a transition lens now because I usually don't come out and ride until it's like in the evenings, like 6-7 o'clock in the evenings, and so I be leaving out the house with the dark visor because it's, you know, it be still bright out here. However, I always get caught around like 9 o'clock if I'm still out and it start getting dark, and I be like, man, it's time to go in the house. So yeah, so now I got this transition visor. Shit, transition visor, $140. Like, what the hell? But it's pretty good. It makes the inside of my visor kind of like a green tint on the outside, so I really do like it. But yeah, like I think it's bright outside right now. Yeah, decent, but I still got that green film on here, so it's pretty legit. But yeah, the Team Charlotte's down here to the left, where I got my bike at. My guy Zach sold me my bike. Appreciate you, Zach. Doom, 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 doom. Doom, 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 doom. Electric bus. Okay, didn't even know we had them in the city. I ain't rode a bus in a long time. Can't wait till this leather look like some vintage leather. Man, I hope they can get me in and out. Trying to be chilling at no motorcycle dealership. Okie dokie. We made it. My man, Zach, what up? Yes, sir. What's up with you? I come to get a tire, man.
How you doing?
A nail. I got 2,000 miles on it.